Food lovers, are you ready for a truly soul-warming meal? Today, we're taking a culinary trip to Hungary to make the iconic, creamy, and incredibly flavorful chicken paprikash. This isn't just a recipe, it's a delicious journey. Let's get started. What is paprikash? Chicken paprikash, or paprikash cirk as it's known in Hungary, is a classic comfort food. It's a rich, smoky stew that gets its name and vibrant color from its star ingredient, high-quality Hungarian paprika. The magic of this dish lies in the depth of its flavor, created by slowly cooking chicken in a paprika-infused sauce. It's a simple dish at heart, but when done right, the results are nothing short of spectacular. The secret is using a good quality, sweet paprika, as it's the heart and soul of the recipe. The ingredients: for 4 people. To make this dish for 4 people, you'll need 1.5 kilograms, about 3.3 pounds, bone-in, skin-on chicken pieces, thighs and drumsticks work best for flavor. 2 large onions, finely chopped. 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, mink. 4-5 tablespoons of high-quality Hungarian sweet paprika. 2 fresh tomatoes, roughly chopped. 1 red bell pepper, chopped into small pieces. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of chicken broth. Half a cup, 120 milliliters, of full-fat sour cream. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or lard. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. The cooking process, step by step. Step 1, prep and season. Start by patting your chicken pieces dry with a paper towel. This helps them get a beautiful sear. Liberally season the chicken on all sides with salt and pepper. Step 2, brown the chicken. In a large heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, heat the oil over medium-high heat. Add the chicken pieces in a single layer, without overcrowding the pan. Brown them on all sides until they have a golden crust. Don't worry about cooking them through yet, we're just building flavor. Remove the chicken and set it aside. Step 3, build the flavor base. Reduce the heat to medium. Add the finely chopped onions to the same pot and sauté until they are soft and translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. Now, for the most crucial part, remove the pot from the heat and stir in the paprika. This prevents the paprika from burning, which would make the sauce bitter. Cook for about 30 seconds, then add the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Step 4, simmer the paprikash. Return the pot to the heat. Add the chopped tomatoes and red bell pepper, stirring well. Add the chicken broth and bring it to a gentle simmer, scraping up any delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Place the browned chicken pieces back into the pot. Step 5, cook to perfection. Cover the pot, reduce the heat to low, and let the stew simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until the chicken is fork tender and practically falling off the bone. Step 6, the creamy finish. This is where the magic happens. In a small bowl, whisk together the sour cream and flour until smooth. Now, to prevent the sour cream from curdling, you must temper it. Slowly add a few spoonfuls of the hot sauce from the pot into the sour cream mixture, whisking constantly. This brings the temperature of the sour cream up gradually. Once it's warm, pour the entire sour cream mixture back into the pot, stirring continuously. Do not let it boil after adding the sour cream. Step 7, final adjustments. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning with more salt or pepper if needed. Pro tips for the perfect dish. Paprika quality: always use high-quality Hungarian sweet paprika. It makes all the difference. Tempering: don't skip the tempering step with the sour cream. This is the single most important tip for a silky smooth sauce. Gentle simmer: cook the chicken slowly over low heat. This ensures it becomes tender and juicy. Serving suggestions: traditionally, chicken paprikash is served with Hungarian nokedli, small dumplings. But it's also fantastic with white egg noodles, mashed potatoes, or even just a slice of crusty bread to soak up that incredible sauce. Garnish with a little extra sour cream and some fresh parsley for a beautiful presentation. Conclusion and call to action: there you have it, a taste of Hungary in your own kitchen. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!